So when she let it go and pull the door, every breast, everything out the door is like a birthday suit you have on now, you know. Like I never show she want to show something more, you know what I mean?
Okay guys, welcome back to our channel, the Parchment fam. So today we have a story time for you guys.
Yeah man, we have a little story to tell, you know.
Listen, yesterday when my husband tell me the story here, I'm like, you have to tell the people in my story because the story are bad.
Well, I not say story bad, you know, I just find the story funny still, you know.
That's what we call bad, we mean it is funny. So I'm going to do most of the talking because I film story, but...
Well, am I story about that you force me to talk it and we already plan to talk the story still?
No guys, you had to hear the story, it's very funny. It's very funny.
It's funny to me.
Yeah, it's very funny.
But when you see, when you in the hot seat, like, you know, funny, you know, like when you're in a situation, I find it more funny, but you're not laugh.
Yeah. You know? Or
so,
maybe uncomfortable in the situation.
Well, I'm not uncomfortable, you know, because me not really make it uncomfortable nowadays, so I just find it funny. You know?
I found it funny as well. Some people that probably find it, some woman depends, yeah, when you hear the story, some woman that probably feel jealous or something like that, but me find it funny.
Yeah, so
let's hear the story.
Yeah, so we are telling a story, I know well want to hear a story, but here we're not going to know. We're not going to stop, go down below the video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you don't subscribe yet, alright? So you can get notified when we drop the next video them on the channel. Yes. Regardless if it's story time, we have a lot of entertaining videos on the channel, right? Cooking, travel, all of that. So, we're not going to bore you too much with the talking. We are
going at the story because that's what I hear. Yeah,
so last night we were on the road still. He just come back to me, what happened still, because I don't really something with me. I always go to work and come in and talk about what happened on this Sunday, you know? So, it's like we did discuss a few things and then that come up and we decided to me attack. Alright, so you decide to me you must make people hear a story. So I'm making me hear a story.
Yes,
so
it's funny.
Yeah, so what happened still, me got this house go work, right? And I don't know if everybody know that understand like how town house set up where the house them pretty much join together. Yeah, everybody have their own front door, their own driveway, but when you got the back of the house, you have like people have their screening porch on each side, but when you come out through your door, it's like one big backyard. Yeah, it's just one big backyard where no backyard pretty much no belong to you because everybody walk and do whatever they want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me come through, me go out of the back of a pipe. So when they do some liquor construction thing on the place, and you have to use the pipe to go outside and wash out bucket and clean up your tool and thing. You know the thing they go when you work already.
Yeah.
So this particular house did the next door. Well, you tell us your townhouse already.
Yes,
so this particular person who live next door is a young person, it's a young female live next door there. So we go out there and I wash out the bucket with my tool and the person come outside. So she come outside now and see me out there wash me tool and everything. We don't know what fly up in her head. You know? She have on this where you call it again?
You know them,
the robe where
it's a common robe.
It's like woman always wrap around them and
is it the silky one or
the silk?
Yeah, they're like kimono robe. They're like lingerie robes.
Yeah, they tie around, so she come outside and see me out there. She have on that. So
in a big idea.
Yeah, in a big idea. And like you don't know some people she might sleep later on. I don't know, but in a big idea. So same time she come out now and me day out there. Like she want to put on a little shoe or something. So go back in the house, she never did nothing. She stand up and look and then she go back in. Then it happened, that's me go back out there.
So she does smile with you?
Yeah, she did smile. She did smile and thing. Yeah, smile and thing. But you know when I take that as nothing still, you know? Yeah, and then because you go somewhere and see somebody easy, you just smile and say good morning.
Yeah, of course, you smile and be nice.
So the day and then we go back in again with the you know you use the tool and you do growth in and something, you clean up your thing again and you wash them off. Go back out there again and clean up and get some water in a bucket and thing. come back out. As every time I go out there, she come back out.
So,
yeah, so she come out, and then when me come out, she come out now, me I wash up my tool them. Come out and have on the rope, bend down, take up something so with bottom put up now here. Bottom put up now here. Let me see.
So she turn her bottom to your side?
Yeah, bend down and take up something with bottom up in her here like yeah, advertise, you know?
Yeah, advertise?
Yeah. Yeah. Hear that? Me don't even hear that. Yeah, so she bend down like she take up something, you know. So did you see it? You know, as a man when know a woman stay, so you know you can read between the lines. What I try to do. So me not really paying no mind, you know. Then me did it again. Me go back in that place I work for a while again. Then me come back out. So when me come back out now. This, you know, I don't know if you don't know them. It's sliding door them, it's sliding glass door them. So come back out now with the rope on. I don't know if she lose it thing and you know you must you lose it on purpose, right?
You have to lose
so
it
you lose it.
Yeah,
you lose it on purpose now, and have her hand hold it like this, like so.
Yeah, she probably.
Then when she see me now, she let it go and pull the door. So when she let it go and pull the door, every breast, everything out that door is like a birthday suit you have on now, you know. It's a birthday suit, naked, with breast and everything out that door, and then have me case I put it back so. Like I never show she want to show something more, you know what I mean? Yeah, so when me see that now, me see, you know, but me do like some, you know, see still. Me just go by me take me mirror away. Grab me bucket, grab me tool them and go in. And you don't go back out there.
Stay far.
Yeah, me don't go back out there every day rest of the day. Me go inside and do what me do. Go on me yard. Right? Go back the next day now, we go finish up your work. We go back, come out of the car, so me I go in. Right it cause you have the place where me I work front door there, so for your front door there on the other side. Out the doors, me lock it van back. I move so. As she did it turn up. Oh, good morning. And I smile. Me say good morning and I go straight. Go and do what me I do. I mean, and I run. Me just stay far from trouble, you know. So,
stay far from trouble
they
if
say
you can.
stay far from trouble if you can. And at the same time, then sometimes when they say trouble, when they say
trouble never set like rain.
Trouble not set like rain, you know. So, a lot of times you have to just still walk away from things and you see it, you know.
Yeah.
Some people easily carried away with them something there.
Yeah, some man would be like a take it in and a look and
enough man would take advantage of it, but at the same time, as enough man get in trouble at the same time. You know?
Yeah.
So people can say like, oh yeah, idiot, you should have do this or you should have do that. But a lot of time, you think with your mind and not your pee. You know? Remember when the man say, he not say pea, he say peanut in a butter, no peanut in matter, you know. He say think with your mind and not your peanuts.
Yeah, peanuts.
yeah. So that's how you just go, you think with your mind and not your peanut, you know.
Yeah.
So
you really have to.
So you have to go, because at the same time, because what they can do, you know, they mess you up in a sabotage, you know, then you make a move like that, whatever happen, then they go say you rape.
Yeah, or you assault, is it? That's a country, you know, play and that's look at you for a woman too early that them file lawsuit against the state.
And even that
alone, you assault them.
And even that alone, they go do that now and they go say, oh, you get them pregnant and all them something there. And you have to give them such amount of money at them.
So you have to stay in your own lane.
Yeah, man. That's one thing. Remember the time when I watch Rastaman Peanut Dread for YouTube. Peanut Dread say, if woman is not Satan, there is no Satan.
You have some woman be a face with you, man. Because me could have never do that. Like, I would feel so ashamed. And then the next day she come say, good morning. Mother shame say, I'd hide.
Peanut Dread say, in the Satan live. Yeah, me laugh. So, yeah, man, that little stories still. Me tell you, say, they predator they out there. They out there, man.
Them
So
female predators, they have to be on your P's and your Q's and on guard.
I mean, you roll around now, you have to have your head by your body, yeah, man.
Yes. They're no business. They're no business if you have woman picnic, the whole works, them they don't care.
And not even that alone, you go in their house, you go in there, not even intend with that, they give you something to drink, they put something in it.
Can you imagine if I fear I also did that work
Do all kind of something.
Eh?
Well,
You can't imagine if I fear also did that work with that sorry for you.
I house me there help and I see certain things. Them there's something then I go scare me like that, you know. Right? Me just do what me I do and gone and get my money and gone. That's all. So no matter what a person want to do, if they want to do them something if I feed them house me a work or not. Me do if me see it I get out of hand, then me leave. As simple as that.
Yeah, that's true.
Me leave. But other than that, if you try to get me attention, just if I just that I do, me do my work and me gone. But if you try go out about and do certain things, me leave and me gone down business. You know? I mean I have to report you or nothing, I just leave you alone and me gone. Huh?
That's a what?
Cut out with pay. You mean you have to pay me more for that?
Cut out the pay. Why? That's funny. No.
Nobody can use that and pay me, you know. Right?
That payment.
That can shop go buy food.
What? That payment.
Yeah, that can bring a shop go buy
Then
food.
be like, are you ready to get your pay now?
Yeah, man. So
Yes.
that is story time, people.
I laugh so till when we hear people.
That I like a story time.
Yes, you see how our relationships stay in just some man that probably feel like them need to hide it or something like that.
No,
like,
I know. No matter what, me not hide nothing, you know.
No, they be hide. I'm like, it was so funny, so funny.
Yeah. Anyway, me not jar it too much. That is story time. And remember, if you don't subscribe yet, go ahead, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. You get notified when we upload. And if you're already subscribed, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support.
Yes.
Stay tuned for the next one, alright? Peace.